may think that you are looking at an Electrolux twin turbo, 560 electronic perhaps. But no, what you are looking at today is a Viking 507 electronic. Viking being the name that Electrolux products were sold in America, rather like Volta in Europe. So let's have a look at what I would hazard a guess is the only one of these in the UK. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, the Amigo is here.
Hello, hola amigos.
Help me with this very rare machine. Because you, unlike me, have seen the Volta versions of these in Australia.
Yes.
And on your travels, haven't you?
I think so, yes.
Because in Australia and Europe, they were Volta rather than Electrolux. So this is an Electrolux twin turbo made for the US market. So, it's really quite similar, so this isn't going to be too much in depth. The main issue with it is this damage.
Ouch.
That's not only been screwed, it's been epoxied. And that's going to make it impossible to take the cable off, to take the switch out, to de-wire it without destroying it. So the minute this is going to sit and wait, I need to find a complete upper part of the handle. But that aside, we have the electronic speed control, exactly the same as the UK version. We have the cable wrapped around the cord hooks, exactly like the UK version, except this one has a 110 volt plug.
And it's a bit thinner as well.
Is it?
Mm.
Yeah, fair enough. I suppose it's less voltage, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it needs to be. So there's that, again, exactly the same so far. Under the bag latch, which says 507, we have a very good condition foam donut. They are terrible when they
Yes.
fail. They really are awful. I've no idea what sort of bags in this.
Oh, looks... No.
Yeah, I don't think
I
it
thought
is,
it was
though.
for a second.
But there's some dirt in it. Some
It's not bad
pet
on the
food.
inside, a bit dusty.
Yes. We're not going to take the filters out in this video, but in there certainly looks dark.
Yeah. No, it's not too bad.
No.
At all, to be honest. It's got its original filter. The cloth filter thing is missing.
I've got some spares. But there was this bit refurbished, you'll see a heifer flow. So
Yeah,
it
yeah.
may not be needed anyway. So there's that. Let's bring you down and we'll have a look at the base of the machine and see if there's any differences there. So really the first major difference that we can see is that it says Viking. In fact that's the Husqvarna logo as well, so it's Husqvarna Viking, whoever they are. It also appears to have seen some work from Gene's Vacuum Sweeper Service. Fast service, very reasonable. Who's American? Call 489-8486. So there we go. The ratings plate
That's different.
is again very different. Made in England.
Ah, so they were made
They're
here.
made in England. Manufactured for the Viking Sewing Machine Company Incorporated. Model number V507, so not Z like we had, V. Product number 900-5925. Serial number 503, so would that be 1975?
Probably, possibly.
I don't think it'd be 85.
No,
would it?
definitely no.
Serial number 0024. The 24th ever one of these made.
Wow.
Listed number 62, Geovac, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 5 amps.
Oh yeah, because there's no watts, is it? They use amps.
Warning,
5
electric
amps.
shock could occur if used outdoors, but the rest of it
It's really clean.
is superb, isn't it? The brush
Wow.
strips are absolutely
The
fantastic.
hose,
The hose is good.
the wheels.
It's a very
Strong.
lightly used
Very lightly used.
vintage vacuum cleaner, isn't it, really?
Definitely, it's really good condition.
So let's get this plugged in and we'll see how it works, really, and what it sounds like. we haven't got the tools for it, but you all know what twin turbo tools look like.
Yeah, they're all the same.
So the first thing we've got to do really is to get some electricity flowing into it. And if I chop this plug off and put a 3-pin plug on and plug in, it will possibly explode.
Did you remove the suppressor?
What?
On
No,
this?
I haven't touched it. Did they have suppressors in America?
Maybe not.
Who
Hopefully
knows?
not.
So we obviously have to use my 110 volt. This plug only goes in one way around, look.
Oh, is one of the ends bigger than the other?
Yes.
Yes.
But this can go if we just rearrange the cable.
God, that's a beast.
We'll put it over here now. I just wanted to show you that, yeah, we can't just plug it straight into the mains. It hasn't turned on, but the orange light
Is glowing.
is glowing, so it still has the glowing orange light. Raise the height of it.
I've put it on the lowest power. Oh.
Is that even on?
Yep, it's moving.
It's
Wow,
trying to
that's for
move.
very delicate silk carpets.
Very delicate. If we turn it up,
Oh, it smells.
does it? We can see that it is a fully functional, if not a bit vibrating, Electrolux
Wow.
twin turbo. I wonder, it would be nice to compare it perhaps to
I know.
a UK model.
Yes.
If only we have one. Oh, well, I'm going to carry on vacuuming with it, I think. Let me take it off of this mat,
Yes.
because I like it, vacuuming with it, just for fun really, because it sounds really nice.
In the hallway behind
Hey, what's this? Oh look! It's an Electrolux 560 electronic. That's better.
Hey!
When are you ever going to see the English version and the American version in the same room? If we had
Yeah.
the Volta, it would literally
First UK ever.
be... Yeah. So this means we can get a little bit geeky with some differences. And we'll start with the cable, since we both have it in our hands.
So this is an original cable.
Yes, that is the original cable. That's the UK one. This is the American one. It's still beige, it's just a little bit lighter and much
Yes.
thinner.
They really colour coordinated.
Yes, they have. Moving down, obviously, apart from that, these are identical, so I am on the lookout for a Z560 handle. Put that out there now.
Yeah.
For this. Because the top bit is exactly the same.
Yeah.
It'll
Stickers,
probably
everything.
have the same part in it,
Yeah.
I would imagine. Moving down, Dorian's, and I've never seen a UK one with that label before.
No.
Just say don't use it for water.
That's faded a bit more than that one. That may be a replacement.
Yes. And then if we flip it over and pop them upside down, we can see that they are absolutely... Oh, I haven't got that sticker, but... Yeah. We can see that they are absolutely
Yes.
almost
apart from that's
identical.
black.
By yours is black, mine is beige. That is it, isn't it? Everything
Yeah,
else
the
is
wheels are the same.
identical.
Brackets.
And they even
holes.
sound the same, because I've always been a little bit curious as to what a US vacuum would sound like over a UK one. And I think yours is perhaps a little bit louder.
Yeah, so if I start mine off on minimum
Alright.
and then turn it on.
I think mine's on minimum.
See, that lower voltage is really, really low.
Okay, I'll turn mine to focus. That noise is mainly this vibrating somewhere. It's just more. It's a slightly more fuller, isn't it? I wouldn't say louder. I think louder might have been the wrong word.
No, I think it's. I would think that this would be pulling more airflow.
Possibly, yes.
Than that one. It seems to be running faster. And I don't know whether it's due
Right.
to the power.
I mean, we're not about to take the motors out and things. I shall do a full refurb on this, so we shall see what's in it to compare it to a UK one. But it's a bit of a big job to strip them out to get the motor out.
Yes.
But yeah, basically we can vacuum away with our two foreign. You've even got a suction adapter there. Ah, mine is new. It's mine is new.
Oh,
Mine's stuck.
it could be stuck.
Let me go and fight.
Let's get some rice.
Good idea. Where is it?
Did you put it back in the kitchen?
I don't know. Hang on. Yeah. Let's leave them like that. Yeah, I'm amazed at how similar. I'm not amazed at how similar they are. I'm quite impressed with how similar they are. They literally must have just shipped these over to America with that bit already made. That's just a big sticker. So they could have sent it without that or anything. Oh, here we go. Look. No, there's one open somewhere. It's there. Look, I'll keep it.
Oh yes, I can
Oh,
see
yeah.
it now.
There you go. Because Jordan's going to season the floor. Put a lot there. Then should we have normal so it's not quite as loud on the
Yes.
power? So I'm on normal.
Norm.
Position 1. What's this? Rocky height control down.
Position 1. There we go.
Well then. It's picking it up absolutely high, isn't it?
It is.
If I on minimum before you get onto this week.
Yeah.
Like half, isn't it? Yeah. Straight up. And if I come this way, so we can groom the rug, there's not a lot of grooming on minimum, but then the brush roll will be spinning much slower.
Yeah.
If we go to boost,
Mine's having dragon fruit.
yeah. Mine's not too bad. What's what?
Yeah.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Yours is bouncing. No, this one's terrible for it, but yeah, that is a bounce.
But I think that's got new brushes on it. That is really low.
It's weird, isn't it? It's almost not on at all.
Beautiful.
Very good. So, basically, this fun little video was the before video of that Viking 507. But luckily, Mr. Hooverlux has its UK cousin, and we thought we'd never get this chance again
No, exactly.
to have both together.
No. That's why we brought it.
And the Viking is an excellent order. It's just going to need stripping and washing and putting back together.
Yeah, no, I
Luckily-
noticed on mine. See, there's a bit of fading.
Oh yes, that's not, is it?
No.
Although it's quite scuffed up from this angle.
But it has faded a
When
little
was
bit.
yours made? 321. So yours is older, at 1973. Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
All in all, a cool little video for some cool, timeless classics of vacuum cleaners. So, as ably modelled by the Mr. Dorian.
I see, I haven't got the red nails to
No.
turn the belt lifter to the clockwise position. Have a belt lifter.
The only other thing I can really think was wrong with that is on this one, the slider works really, really well. But on that one,
It doesn't even.
I don't think it does anything. But
I think it's just stuck.
yes,
I think it's just stuck.
that'd be something to look at. But either way, we are done. So, thank you very much for watching. You will see that again when it's been refurbished. I've no doubt we'll see this at some point on Dorian's channel.
Yeah, definitely. I have a lot of Electroluxes. I need some work and I need to get cracking on them next year.
Well, be careful of this, because that's cracked.
Ah.
And the carry handle. Don't pick it up from the carry handle. It's just two screws and it slides out, so you can do it quite easy.
Okay. Oh yeah, okay. I can bond that from the back. Yeah.
Yeah, you just unscrew it. Take those two screws out, it just pulls out. So nice and simple, just don't do it on the way home. So thank you very much, Mr. Hooverlux, for your help.
Very welcome.
Thank you very much you for watching this very rare video, because okay, I would put some money on that being the only one in the UK. I know there's a couple of Volters knocking around in the UK. I don't think there's many Vikings. That's been bought here from America once.
Pledge allegiance to the Viking of United States of America.
Whatever that means. So, thank you very much for watching. We shall see you soon, and goodbye.
Bye.